Hello everyone and welcome to another ALDI haul. First off, I would like to say that this was a total fail for budgeting. These Parkview Franks were $2.64 each and they were under a price that said 69 cents. So I'm totally disappointed because I didn't catch that at the register. But nevertheless, I got two, and I'm not taking them back because I just can't. Then I did get the 12 eggs for 99 cents. And this was on special for $1.95. I know usually it's like $2 something, but my son really likes this one. So I grabbed that. I got some waffles for my daughter because she loves waffles. And I haven't really gotten any waffles. I have, I think, a waffle maker, but anyway. Okay, another fail. My camera shut off. So we were talking about the waffles. I think I said I do have a waffle maker, but it's not a waffle maker. Now that I think about it, it's one of those little, I don't know what they're called. You could like put anything in there, like egg, and it's very popular. I can't even think about it. What is it called? Let me go grab it. I still don't know what it's called, but the brand is Dash, and I bought it from Target about a year ago. There's about like 4 Targets close to me, and one of the Targets is it was remodeling, and I seen that, and I love the color, so I grabbed it. But anyways, I hardly make my own waffles. I should make my own waffles, but nevertheless, I bought waffles. And then the one thing I went in for was milk. Yeah, the one thing I went in for. Anyways, and then when I walked in, I also saw these. My friend at work is pregnant, and I always steal her crackers. I love crackers, but I never buy them because I can never find them like at Walmart. I looked everywhere. So I found these, and I'm gonna eat them. And then I got mozzarella sticks for my daughter. She's staying home today because she has like a sty in her eye or something in her eye, so we've been trying to treat that. And I bought her those so she could feel better. I also bought her these so she could feel better, and she ate them all. Yes, it's empty. She ate them all in the car, so just wanted to show that. These were 99 cents. These were, I believe, $1.99. These were, oh my gosh, I cannot read. These were $1.59. I think that's a great price because the other saltine crackers are, I think, $2.99. I've seen them before. This was $2.69, which, you know, not a big surprise. This, I believe, was $1.99 also. And last but not least, I grabbed this shrimp and avocado rolls. It just looks so delicious. It's actually in the frozen section, but you just leave it out to thaw, or you could put it in the microwave, or you can put it in water just so it could thaw, and it just looks so delicious. So I'm gonna try that. I've had these before. These are really good, but I've never had this, and I've seen it, and you know, word of advice: don't go into the market hungry because you end up getting stuff that you wouldn't usually get. And I didn't go in with the plan. So this is my grocery haul. My total was $23.34. It would have been $5 cheaper, but I wasn't paying attention. So next time I will be. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.